This is chapter 3, problem number 51. Two vectors A and B have equal magnitudes. In order for the magnitude of A plus B to be 100 times larger than the magnitude of A minus B, what must the angle be between them? For the givens, you have the magnitude R equals A plus B, where A is equal to B. And then you have magnitude D, which equals A minus B, where A equals negative B. And then you're going to use a trig identity later on that says 1 minus cosine theta equals 2 sine squared theta over 2. You're asked to find the angle theta between vectors A and B so that the magnitude R will be 100 times larger than the magnitude of D. So now we're going to work with the vector A plus B. So start off by drawing a diagram where you draw A going in the positive direction, B going in the positive direction, and then make a hypotenuse for the magnitude R. And you'll have your angle theta between the horizontal and vector B. And then inside the triangle, which ends up being an isosceles triangle, you have your angles 180 degrees minus theta, theta over 2, and then theta over 2 again. Now apply the law of cosines, and also remember that you're working with an isosceles triangle, and after working that out, you should end up with R equals 2A cosine theta over 2. Now we're going to work with the magnitude A minus B. So draw vector A going in the positive direction. This time vector B will be going in the negative direction, and then connect them with the magnitude D. And this will again work out to be an isosceles triangle. Now you use that trig identity I told you about. So start off with 1 minus cosine theta equals 2 sine squared theta over 2. And then apply the law of cosines. Also with remembering that you were working with an isosceles triangle. And after some substitution, or however you want to work it out, it's really up to you, but you should end up with D equals 2A sine theta over 2. Remember that the problem requires that magnitude R is 100 times larger than magnitude D. So you're going to take what you just found for R and D and plug them back in. So you should have 2A cosine theta over 2 equals 200A sine theta over 2. That will give you tangent theta over 2 equals 0.100, including sig figs, and finally you should end up with theta equals 1.15 degrees.